the Fiery Furnace. Today we have 3 hot chefs from all around the world and local. First we have Shad. Hi, welcome Shad. We're so glad to have you.
Thank you.
No problem. Next we have Shaq. This is our local chef from right here in Anderson, South Carolina. Next we have Abed. Thank you for coming. So the way that this show goes is that you guys are going to make 3 hot, fiery dishes for us to try. So you guys can choose whatever you want. We have ingredients in the back, and you guys whip it up in 3 minutes or less.
3.
Yes.
Alright.
Deal.
Let's go. The tension is rising as we have these hot, fiery dishes being made. Whew, it's a little hot in here myself.
Guys, something's happening. Mine's boiling. I don't know what to do. Let's go. What the heck? I'm gonna be burning. Are you okay? Are you okay? I'm
No,
getting
it's burning.
nurse.
It's burning.
Nurse.
This is burning.
How did this happen? My dish was so good. It was supposed to be beautiful. How is it? Wait.
Burns.
This isn't really burning me, but it's hot though. Why isn't it burning me? Oh my goodness. I made a magical dish. It doesn't burn.
Hi, welcome back to the Fiery Furnace. Now we finally have our final dishes. They look amazing. Abed, what did you make?
I made a family tradition of spice cake.
Wow, looks hot.
Please don't do that.
All right, let's just keep on going. What did you make, Shad?
I made some flaming hot fries.
Can I have them?
Sure.
Don't burn yourself.
That's not great. That's not as good as mine. I made some spicy jambalaya. Take a look, taste tester. It looks good.
It smells good.
Now the judges are gonna taste each of the food and decide which one is the flaming hot winner. So if you guys would please exit that way. Judges, let's start deliberation.
You want to start with the cake?
Sure.
Spice cake. Interesting. That was way too spicy. I'm not a bit. No. Some fries. Minimal effort here. Could be better. No, not a big potato person. This is really good. I think we have a winner, definitely.
Welcome back. Judges, have you figured out who's the lucky winner?
We have.
Just whisper in my ear. Oh, that's a good one. Chefs, come back. The judges have tasted each and every one of your foods. And it was a difficult decision, but they found a winner. Jack, you're They said your dish was amazing, and the miracle of it not burning, even though it was so spicy, was contagious.
I won! Wow, my mom's gonna be so